Hello everyone. So I have a bunch of these envelopes and that type of thing, and I really don't want to be pulling these off. They're rather small envelopes. So I was thinking, why don't we make pockets out of these envelopes, like a loaded pocket. So I'm just gonna cut this bit off there so it makes this into another pocket right at the bottom. Alright. We'll see how many we can get done, but I want to decorate it and all that jazz. So, figured have you make a loaded pocket out of a mini envelope thing. We'll see how far we get with it. Again, I don't know necessarily how I feel about it, but at the same time, I want to use up what I have. What if we use some of these pages for that? I think would be fun. So, let's just go with it. You could collage it, whatever you want to do, but I just figure this would probably be the easiest thing to do is just add a piece where I want it. And I just folded it over up to the metal here, so that's why it is reacting or looks the way it does. Okay. Again, not sure what I'm doing. I'm just fiddling with it. There we go. I need to do something here too, I think. And I think something pretty like this would be cute for that part. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to take my thumb hole punch here. There. Yeah, definitely pretty different. Don't know what I'm doing, but having fun with it no matter what, right? This is just an idea. Again, I think I'm going to come up with more ideas, but this is what I have right off the top of my head to do with it. Again, we'll see. We can come up with more ideas with these envelopes, but this was what was on my mind the last few days, so this is where I'm just using what's in my head and just trying it out. If you want to make it yourself, you may. Again, it's just a cute little pocket here. Looks cute. Now let's see. Pockets that can fit inside it. So, let's use this one. Oh, well, we can trim that up. Not a problem. That will be fun to write on, so let's use that. This was a print out that went wrong, and sometimes when you get printouts that are made wrong, you just paint over it. You coffee dye it. You see what you can do with it other than what it was made for. Or other than what you printed out, I should say. So there we go. A cute little journaling card that we can just stick right inside here. Okay. Then I was thinking, what else could we stick inside this? We could stick something in these pockets there. So why don't we use something like this? I'm just wondering if this will even fit in there. Not without hitting that thing. Okay. So I need long and skinny. We may have to come up with our own for that one. For them too. So. These two. We'll use this. All right. I just have pieces going everywhere. That happens sometimes. From time to time. All right. Go. Get all this out of the way. And then the garbage. Alright, what else can we use? Just a plain dyed one. Oh, this one was a misprint too. At one point or another. And this just ran out of glue. Where is my glue? Right up here. Good for different ones. That's going to go in my scraps because I need more pieces like that when I'm collaging. There we go. And we'll get this one done. Alright, very basic pieces. Just add right here. Now I'm just going to add stuff to this one. What if we add this piece? Yeah, that works. That piece. What else can we add? Stick that in there. That, no. So, stuff like that, you just, this one, for example, too. Could just stick in there. Alright, so it's all loaded up with multiple things, but it's still thin. So if somebody does decide they want to add it to a journal, they may. So I hope you enjoyed this quick idea of a loaded pocket. Again, it's just experimental. It ain't necessarily perfect, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye!